You're curious. You might be wondering, what does it look like for an online dietitian to make money? In today's video, I got you covered. A private practice dietitian needs to charge for one-on-one sessions in order to make money. Now, this might sound obvious, right? You got to charge for your services, charge for your time. But so often I see that there's a big disconnect with dietitians offering their work for free. Now, I want to include a caveat here. If you're offering limited work for free only so that you can gain your confidence for 1 or 2 sessions, I'll let that slide. And if you want to offer a low fee for your first few sessions in order to boost your confidence and you're capping it at 3, I'll let that slide also. But if you're still offering free sessions and you're offering, $20, $50 per hour consults and you've been doing it for a long time, that's no bueno. And here's the thing. If you want to make money as an online dietitian and you want to grow your business and grow your impact and make your efforts worth your time, you're going to need to charge a reasonable rate for your time. And that's definitely going to be above $20 or $50 per hour. Now, I know that remote jobs can make us dietitians feel limited. Now, I know when I was working in a clinical position, I felt the same way. And as a private practice consultant, when I was offered so much more money, I was offered thousands of dollars to speak for an hour, I couldn't believe it. I nearly passed out because the rates for a clinician were so much lower and hourly, and even in remote jobs you find online, than other work as a consultant. So I knew there was some kind of disconnect. And I think this is a complex issue because a lot of dietitians were undervaluing ourselves, we're not charging enough. There's a lot of issues layered within this topic. And what we can do is start increasing our rate and putting our foot down and not doing free work indefinitely and not doing low cost work either, because we have to think of our hourly rate being worth it for our time and energy. So I want to encourage you to reevaluate your rate. Now, this is for cash pay. Now, when you're doing insurance, they set your rate. So that's a whole different story. I'm talking about cash pay services. If you're offering consulting or cash pay practice or anything like that, you want to think about your rate being worth your time. And there are calculations you can do for that. You don't have to charge an enormous rate when you start, but you do want to increase that rate with time and make sure it supports your efforts and where you are in your business. And most importantly, it's got to make sense for your business. And I see a lot of dietitians that are charging rates that just don't make sense, and it won't actually help you become profitable because the amount of money that you take home is not the same as the amount of money that you keep. So being really practical and thinking about business skills means that you're really, truly thinking intentionally about what rate you can charge that will be worth it for you in the long run. Private practice dietitians sell digital products to make money. Now, some dietitians, some of our clients do this full time, and that's all they do is they sell digital products, courses, ebooks, online coaching, affiliate marketing, brand sponsorships. Those are some of the examples. Where others of our clients will sell some digital products combined with a brick and mortar practice part-time, or combined with some insurance work part-time. So it's up to you if you want to sell digital products as an alternative revenue stream on the side, or if you want to sell digital products as your full-time gig. But whether you decide to take it, part way or all the way home in terms of how much revenue you want to make, because the opportunities are infinite, the process to get there is the same. So I want to break that down for you. Courses do not require you to coach. You can sell a course that does not involve any one-on-one, and you're offering your modules and exercises. It's optional if you want to provide a community or a forum for people to tap into. If you don't offer that, you will need to have an email where people can contact you for any customer support issues. But you can have a course that doesn't offer any coaching, and that's a great way for you to earn passive income as a dietitian. Group programs, which are my personal favorite, allow you to see more people at one time. That means that your income is leveraged because you can help multiple people, 8, 10, however many, in the same unit of time as previously with one-on-one that you could see in 1 hour. So 1 unit of time, meaning 1 hour, is going to go a lot longer with 8 people than it would with 1 person. Not to mention, think about the community that you're building with your clients who get to meet like-minded people during that hour-long session of group coaching. So I'm a big fan of offering group coaching as a dietitian in your toolbox of your digital products that you're offering. Now I am talking about online group coaching. One-on-one work is an option, and I'm talking about telehealth, so you have flexibility not only with when other people are able to hop on and talk to you in time zones, but your ability to work from home, and that cuts out the obvious commute time that you'd have to take when you're going to an office. Ebooks are great because they don't require you to coach, and they require even lower tech than a course. If you join my membership, it's called the Academy, I give you ebooks that are done for you, and you can just plug and play and use those ebooks in your dietitian private practice, and you can start selling them. You will need to set them up you can either use your EMR, or you can set them up through a software like Gumroad, or you can use a third-party platform like Teachable or Thinkific and sell through one of those platforms. But once you have an ebook and you set it up and integrate with a payment system so you can receive payments, you're good to go. So that's a great idea in terms of a digital product to sell as a dietitian. Really, the options are endless when you become an online dietitian. I haven't even tapped in to partnerships, brand sponsorships, affiliate marketing. There are so many other options. I just wanted to go high level over 4 of the most common, which would be telehealth, so that's private coaching, virtual group coaching, courses, and ebooks. If you want to learn how to build your brand and start making money and helping more people so you can become your own boss, I want you to check out the free webinar I've linked below in the description box. And if you want to watch another free video, check out this next video on screen.